There are 4 different versions of parabolas whose equations we need to remember. Starting off with upward parabola, downward parabola, rightward and the leftward. That's how we'll remember and call them as. Now, many people get confused. So I have few things that will help us recall this easily. First, we'll try to recall the graph of f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So where do we see this? Yes, in our 10th grade, is it not? So this is our 10th grade or 9th grade syllabus. So what are the kinds of graphs that we see? All are smiley face. Something like this, is it not? So any graph which looks like this, we can conclude that y is proportional to x square. So this is how we will start. Our understanding or our recall or our memorization of the equations for parabola starts with this. Now, since this is not a smiley face but a frowny face, we have y is proportional to minus x square. Since this is across left to right, this has to be x is proportional to y square. This being positive because it's on the right. And since this is to the left, x is proportional to minus y square. Does it make sense? Now, here when I remove the proportionality, y will be equal to x square by 4a. Right? When we remove the proportionality and the constant turns out to be 4a for all of it. So when I rearrange this, this is x square is equal to 4ay. And over here, y will be equal to minus x square by 4a. So here x square is equal to minus 4ay. So it becomes simple when we understand or recall the 10th grade syllabus. Here it is x is equal to y square by 4a. So here the equation turns out to be y square is equal to 4ax. This is the one which we derived. And here it will be x is equal to minus y square by 4a. And so we have y square is equal to minus 4ax. Right? Yes, we have one more thing, that is the equation of directrix. This is a line parallel to x-axis. So this has to be y is equal to a constant. Since it's below the origin, this has to be minus a. Again, don't try to memorize, understand. This is a line parallel to x-axis. So this has to be y is equal to a constant. Since this is above the x-axis, this is plus a. This is a line parallel to y-axis. So this is x is equal to a constant. Since it is to the left, it has to be minus a. This is a line parallel to y-axis again. So x has to be equal to a constant. This is to the right of the origin. So this has to be plus a. And that's how you recall and understand these equations.